Hello, welcome to our lesson on statistics. And when we talk about statistics, statistics is about collection of data and how you analyze and then you interpret that particular data that you have collected. So, without data, there is no statistics. All right. For instance, those who are a fan of football talk about maybe Ronaldo or Messi being your GOAT. Okay, it's about the statistics, it's about what they have achieved. Talk about Ronaldo scoring more than 900 goals, Messi's also getting close to 900 goals, the number of Ballon d'Ors, and so on. Those are all statistics, the information that has been gathered. All right, maybe you take a country, the number of people in the country, the population, the number of males, the number of females, the number of children. Those are all statistics. Okay, but in this aspect of statistics, what we are going to look at, first of all, we look at the frequency distribution table. How when you are given a data, how you will be able to construct a frequency distribution table. And the frequency distribution table, we have the grouped and the ungrouped. Okay, we have the grouped and the ungrouped, and then with the grouped, you may see what we call the class interval. Okay, where the value that you are given, they are range of the values, maybe 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and so on. So when you talk about the group frequency distribution, you have the range of the values. Okay, you count them and then you write their frequency. So when you are giving the raw data, what you have to do is to tally, and then when you tally, you write the frequency. Well, what at all is the frequency? The frequency tells us the number of times what that particular value occurs. All right, and then with the ungrouped, we write single values as it is. If it is, let's say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so that is about the group and ungroup. So what we are going to look at now is to how to construct the frequency distribution table with a given data, whether grouped or what ungrouped. So we are going to learn how to construct the group frequency distribution and how to construct the ungrouped frequency distribution. All right. For example, the ages of 20 students in a class were recorded as follows. So these are the ages of 20 students in a class. Represent the data above on a frequency distribution table. So this is ungrouped. Okay, we have not grouped anything. There is no range of intervals for any of them. You just write it as it is. You not group the values. So this is ungrouped frequency distribution table. So one, what are we talking about? Ages. So age. So we are talking about ages. And take note that whenever you get a raw data like this, and you are supposed to construct the frequency distribution table, you tally. And after we tally, you write the frequency. So as we are going to do, make sure to start from the lowest. We are going to write it in what? In ascending order, from the least to the highest. So which value is the least? 10. You write 10. So how many tens? So let's check. 1, 2, 3. So the tens, we have 3. So we tally and then write our 3 here. Alright, then you come to 11. How many 11? 1, 2, also 3. You see. So you come to 12. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. You make sure that you count them very well. Then let's come to 13. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tally is grouped into 5. So group of 5 plus 1, 6. Then we have come to 14. 1. 14 is only 1. So 1. Then 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 15 is 3. Okay. So this is our frequency distribution table. So when the construct the frequency distribution table, this is your frequency. Don't add anything. I hope you will be thinking about mean and don't think ahead. This is your frequency. We are just doing the frequency distribution table. Alright, so let's add this and see. This is 20. If it will be equal to 20, alright. So the total, okay. You can say total, or what you can say is what? In statistics, total is sigma. So this sign is summation. So sigma f, summation of the frequency. So in statistics, when you see this, it's summation, and then f is for frequency. So summation of the f. Alright. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 20. Okay, so 20. So it means that we have been able to represent our data well in the frequency distribution table. I believe you get it. So this is ungrouped. You see that we have, okay, there's no range of values. We use the numbers 10, single numbers, 12, 11, 12, as it is. Alright, I believe you get it. So let's go to the next example where we have to construct a frequency table where we are given the class interval for the group. Alright. Okay, so let's look at this example. The following data give the math scored by 40 students in master. So if you count all the numbers there, it will give you 40. Using class intervals of 30 to 39, 40 to 49, construct frequency distribution table. So this is grouped because the values are what? We have range of values for them. 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Okay, so etc. It means that we have 50 to 59, 60 to 69 until we get to the last number which falls within that particular range. Okay, and take note about class interval. These are class interval. The 30 here we call the lower class limit, and this is the upper class limit. That is the limit of the class. The numbers within, the values within the range of values 30 to 39. This class is what? The 40, the lower class limit. This is the upper class limit. Okay. So here we are talking about max. So if you are going to do your frequency distribution table, we go to max. And because it is a raw data, you are constructing, so you tally. And after tallying, you do your frequency. So looking at the value, say we use class about 30 to 39. You see that there, looking at the numbers here, the least number is 30. Okay, so that's where we are going to start from. 30 to what? 39, 40 to 49, etc. So we will follow this pattern. 30 to 39, 40 to 49. If you look at the value, we have 50 there, 60 there, and then the highest value there is, I think that is within the range of 80. 88. I don't think we have 90 there. There is no 90. There is no 90. It means that we are going to end at 80 to 89. Okay. So 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. We follow the same pattern. 70 to 79. And then 80 to 89. You can end here because the highest value is 88. Okay. So what we have to do is to what? To tally, and also you do a total frequency to confirm for us if that will give us 40, because the numbers there are 40. So let's look at 30 to 39. How many? We're going to check the value from 30 to 39. So 1. 36 falls within 30 to 39. 2. Alright. 3. 4. 5. 6. So that is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you write your frequency 6. Alright. Now there's one class interval, another class interval, and so on. So let's come to 40 to 49. So the 40s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7. So in this class interval, I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Then let's come to the 50s, 50 to 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Okay. The 60 to 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. The 70s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 80s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I believe you have understood how this is being done. All right, we have been able to represent all the values here in a group frequency distribution. So take note that anytime for the group frequency distribution, you'll be given the class interval. Okay, so the question has to give you the class interval, and then you work with what? The class interval. If you are supposed to construct, okay, sometimes they will also construct for you. All right. And we have how many class intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So this is one class interval, another one. So from the class interval 30 to 39, this is the lower class limit, upper class limit. From 40 to 49, lower class limit, upper class limit, 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 lower class limit, upper class limit. You get. So let's add and see if you are going to get 40. 6 plus 7. 13 plus 7, 20 plus 9, 29 plus 6, 35 plus 5, 40. Okay, so it means that all that we have done here is correct. I believe you have understood. So this is about frequency distribution table. When we meet again, we will look at the mean, the mode, and then the median. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.